Still watching Sunday Express. Now, when on the road, it may be comfortably passed for a beast of burden. This is Isuzu FRR 10-ton truck. Ever wondered how this truck is put together? Now, tonight on The Process, we feature with Ben Troy, takes us through the whole process of assembling this cargo truck.
We arrive at the Isuzu East Africa ground, formerly General Motors, along Nairobi-Mombasa Road. The company has operated in the country for close to 40 years, churning out close to 6,000 vehicles annually.
So welcome to Isuzu East Africa. This is where we produce Isuzu. This is a home for Isuzu. We are basically assembling all the Isuzus you see on the road in Kenya from here. Starting from pickups, light commercial trucks, to the medium-duty trucks. We call them the N series. And then we have some other heavy-duty trucks from 10 tons all the way to 26 tons. We call them the F series. The Isuzu East Africa actually serves not just Kenya, but also Uganda, Tanzania markets. Those are the key markets.
You're known for the D-Maxes, you're known for the Isuzu trucks, you're known for the buses, institutions, schools.
Yes.
How many units do you manufacture here every year?
So every day we are doing about 30 units every day.
We are here to go behind the scenes of the process of assembling the popular Isuzu FRR 10-ton truck.
This is the highest selling brand in Kenya, selling over 2,000 vehicles a year. Preferred for especially the construction industry, can hold 200 bags of cement. You have a hardware, you see an FRR. If it's in the agriculture sector.
Just like with any assembly line, the process begins at the material handling center. Here, all materials necessary are sorted out.
Many parts are sourced from outside.
Yeah.
There are some locally made
Absolutely.
materials that go into the vehicles and the trucks that you
Yes, absolutely. There are good items there. There are quite a number. Batteries, leaf springs, seats, floor mats, metal brackets, and others.
From here, the material inventory, which makes up the production plan, are later taken to the body shop, where the whole production takes place.
The body panels, they come as also completely knocked down form. So you can see the floor is separate from the roof. There is some level of sub-assembly done on the roof. Some reinforcement plates are welded on this jig. But once that sub-assembly is done, then now we go to the main framing jig. This jig is what helps us to keep the dimensional accuracy. So you can see the team, what they are doing is we load the panels to the jig and clamp them into position. We started with the floor, then we did the side panels. Now that's the back panel we are doing. We'll later on do the front panel and the roof panel. We clamp into position and then we do spot welding. So the equipment you're seeing, the yellow equipment there is a spot welding guns that now that we use for the joinery process for the metal panels.
The cabin is next taken to the paint shop.
So we have quality control in every section. So we inspect, verify it's okay, then we allow it to go to the paint shop.
Here, Isuzu has one-of-a-kind electro-deposition plant. And its cost?
This is how $500 million looks like. At ED, what we are doing is we are applying the initial primer coat using electricity, electro-deposition process, so that the entire cabin, we dip it in a bath of electrolyte, we pass current, and then the paint is uniformly spread on the surface of the cabin.
After the paint job, the cabin is cured in an oven for 20 minutes. Here the temperatures are scorching to ensure retention of the paint. After the cabin cools, it is given the main paint job.
If a customer doesn't want a white truck,
yeah, we're able to arrange for that too. We develop paints. All we need to do is get the order before production. So with our sales team, we're able to do that even for seen KBF, Coca-Cola, NYS, all those police with special colors. Any of those customers, or even yourself, you come and say you want an orange. So we just work with you.
Here it's a hive of activity as technicians rush to ensure they produce 30 trucks a day. The newly painted cabin now is ready for interior fittings. Next, the windshield is carefully installed.
We will start with some primer application. That's the body primer. And then on the windshield itself, we shall put some sealant around and then we install. The power tools here around we use to compress air.
Still using conserving energy and everything.
Absolutely, yeah. It's compressed air is preferred in the auto industry.
The cabin is now fully complete after undergoing quality checks and is mounted on a chassis. The engine, which is one of the imported components, is assembled and also merged with the chassis. The FRR is almost complete, but before its first ignition, all the fluids crucial to any engine are poured in the engine. The engine rev could signal the truck is complete and ready to hit the road, but not yet. The next spot is the dynamic testing center where the vehicle undergoes a variety of tests.
We're testing the vehicle is now working. It's dynamic, is running. You run the vehicle, you actually make it run.
More or less like the final inspection.
Yes. So we run the vehicle on this equipment. We simulate the road environment. So here we're able to run the vehicle up to 80 kilometers per hour.
Including a shower test, and here they really make it rain.
If there's any drop of water, then that we should go back for review and a problem solving.
Later on, according to the customer's need, the truck is fabricated to suit the taste, varying from public service vehicle by that used by organizations. Staff at this busy plant say how work is like in the factory.
Having worked here, we meet quality standards, and Isuzu, we see Isuzu products around everywhere. The buses we ride in are Isuzu, the trucks you see carrying most of our goods are Isuzu. So for a fact, I can tell people that Isuzu is the best product to acquire, really.
We were recognized by the Federation of Kenya Employers as the overall winner of the 2023 Employer of the Year Awards. This award just signifies the kind of working environment that we have here at Isuzu.
Isuzu is also leveraging on technology and artificial intelligence, AI, as the world switches to electronic vehicles.
We have process innovations and also there are product innovations that are coming up. So the process innovations I've shown in the material handling system where we have an electronic pull system. This productivity and quality control system is also our own innovation. This system is custom made for Isuzu East Africa.
In May of 2023, Isuzu East Africa unveiled a special edition of Eliud 159 Isuzu D-Max in honor of the two-time Olympic marathon champion Eliud Kipchoge.
We identified with Eliud many years, not just recently. We've been with him for a couple of years and we identified him as our brand ambassador. And with time we've worked with him, he's been able to win many awards. This brand is a limited edition. It's not, we are only selling 159 units.
Thank you so much, engineer.
Thank you for coming. I hope you enjoyed your visit here. Thank you for coming.
For the process, I'm Ben Troy Njue.